Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to explain how you can see more detail about your structural analysis in Abaqus, such as degree of freedom, frequency values, and also moment of inertia. First of all, when you finish your job running, you can go to see the results. In this example, I tried to model a thin-walled structural beam for natural frequency analysis. The first way to see, for example, natural frequency is that you go here to see the deformation of your beam. And here you can see the value of your frequency that is based on the cycle per time or hertz. And you can see also the modal shape of your natural frequency. Okay. In the next step, if you want to see all the frequency that you obtain, you should go to result, step frame, and here you can see all of the value of your modes. For example, in the step of frequency, I wanted to have 30 number of my modes. That here I can see all of them, and exactly, for example, here I'm on mode 4, that here exactly is on the mode 4. In the other way, if you want to see more detail about your structure, for example, such as the number of nodes and also degree of freedom, the moment of inertia, you should try to see where you save your file. For example, I go to File, Save As, and here is my directory of my file in the C. Okay, I go to this file, and then you should try to find the job that you're running, and the type of this job file is that file. So in that file, you can see all the detail that you need. Here, you can also use Notepad++ to see more detail about your structural analysis in the dat file of your job. Here, I can see the problem size. The first value is related to the number of elements, the second is number of node, the third is number of node defined by the user, and at the end you will see total number of variables in the model, that is exactly number of degree of freedom that you have. In addition, you can see more detailed structure, such as total mass of the model, the moment of inertia about the origin, for example, IXX, IYY, and IZZ based on your coordinate, and also, as you can see, even more detail about that. And if you go further, you can see also the mode number, eigenvalue, and also frequency based on radian per second, radian per time, or cycle per time, or hertz. You can see also generalized mass, that is exactly the value that is necessary for calculation of the free vibration analysis. And here you can see participation factors about all the coordinates and also mode number. Here you can see effective mass, that is completely effect on your result of your natural frequency. And at the end, you can see the job time summary based on user time, system time, total CPU time, and wall clock time. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe and like our video. Thank you for your attention.